Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Kia Soul. And on this Kia Soul we're going to go over how you would change your ignition coils. There's one per cylinder, and also this is the 1.6 motor. This 1.6 motor is in more than one model, so this will apply to the models that have the 1.6. So first we have to, we've popped the hood. We've removed the negative battery cable, and we are now going to pop this cover off to gain access to the 4 coils. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is cylinder 1, and then 2, 3, 4 in that order. So you would just repeat this 4 times, go all the way across. So we'll show you how to do it. So you're going to pop the connector out. This one, see, has a little connector still in there, and this one's missing it. So you're just going to pull that out. You need to squeeze it and then pull it out. So be a little tough. You squeeze, pull that out. Then we have a size 10 bolt right up on top here. So here we have our number size 10 bolt that we need to remove to be able to get the engine coil off. So remove that bolt, set that aside, and then you'll be able to just pull the engine coil and remove that. And you would do that the 4 times for all the cylinders, and then you would take your new engine coil. We're also looking to see, do we have a bunch of oil residue on here, and that would indicate that we've got oil that's leaking from, say, the valve cover gasket down into the cylinder, or we have oil or gases that are leaking from the spark plug themselves. We don't have any of those signs on this, so that's pretty good. So you just take your new engine coils, and like I said, you're going to do this 4 times for all the cylinders. If you're just replacing the engine coils because you have your engine code reader and you've read your codes and it says you have a misfire on 1 cylinder or 2 cylinder, and you just buy the one to replace, you go ahead and just replace the engine coil. Depending on the amount of miles, you might want to just replace them all and also be replacing the spark plugs all at the same time. But if you're replacing one engine coil or just all the engine coils, you just repeat this step 4 times. So when you're done, then you'll take, or when you're ready, you take your new engine coil and reinstall it. Press it down. It's going to give some feedback, and that's why we have this bolt to put in. And you just tighten the bolt on, not crazy tight, just good and snug. That's just to hold it on there so that it doesn't work its way up. Then you'll just take your electric connection and reconnect it, pressing until it locks. Alright, so we just press it till it locks on there, and now you'll be able to just put your cover back on and reconnect your negative battery cable, and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.